guys, today I'm in Stratford. I'm on a New Zealand RingFinder call out. A lady has lost her ring in King Edward Park, so here I am today and hopefully we will find it for her. I'll keep you posted. Just pop this one out. Penny. 1937. Awesome. Look, here's a surface phone. It's not even metal. Little marble. Turn around. Oh. Okay, I've just found this little one down in here. And it's a New Zealand 1 cent piece, our old currency. Just another little surface phone down here. Just a little nut off something. This one's ringing up as a 2021 on the Knox. I'll just pop that up. Oops. It's another New Zealand 1 cent piece, old currency. Now that area there, well, not there, behind me here, that's where the ring is missing. Just a nut by the looks of it. Not what we're looking for anyway. Well guys, I think we found the ring and no detector was even required. Check this out. You see it there? There she is. Well, that was awesome to be able to recover Jenny's ring. Actually, you know, she's very lucky that that ring is still there, because I originally got the call on Thursday night, but my car broke down and it's now Saturday, and it's a wonder that ring is still there. It's a wonder nobody else has found it. So she's very fortunate. So she's going to be very happy to get her ring back and back on her finger where it belongs. John gave me a call the other day saying that he'd lost his platinum ring, his wedding band, out in the backyard somewhere. Now, he said he was wearing gardening gloves, but he had taken them off and on several times in various places, and you know, because he was weeding and doing bits and pieces all over the show. He had a good hunt, but 2 weeks on now or thereabouts, he still hasn't found it. So he looked me up on Facebook or on Google, I'm not sure which, but he found me and here I am today. So come along with me while I find his ring. I've just done this little area in the backyard so far. So he said he's been all over the backyard, but we have just found it. Take a look at this. Now, I've just stuck that flower there so I knew where it was. Can you see it at all? Right there. There she is. Now John didn't want to be on camera. I think he's a bit camera shy, but that's alright. But he was happy to show us his hand with his ring back on his finger.